Hello everyone, to this time 1 p.m. I am in Sabarmati Ashram. So this is a Sabarmati Ashram which is also known as the Gandhi Ashram, which is a home of Mahatma Gandhi, because Mahatma Gandhi along with Kasturba Gandhi who used to stay here in Sabarmati Ashram, that is in Ahmedabad. So I am going to explore the Sabarmati Ashram, and even there are two homes of the Mahatma Gandhi where he used to stay. One home is Sabarmati in Ahmedabad, and second home is located Sevagram, that is in Wardha in Maharashtra nearby Nagpur. So this is a Sabarmati Ashram, and second ashram Sevagram Ashram. So this is I am going to explore the Sabarmati Ashram, which is a home of Mahatma Gandhi. So where Mahatma Gandhi who used to stay here along with the Kasturba Gandhi wife and his followers. And even Sabarmati Ashram is also the place where Mahatma Gandhi started his Salt March, as well also known as the Dandi March in 1930 from here only. So let's see and explore the places together with me. Thank you so much. So I am going to explore. So let's explore together with me Sadakat Ashram, where he used to stay with Kasturba Gandhi wife and along with the followers and activities. So let's see. Ashram activities, and this is the charkha of Mahatma Gandhi. So see, this is the charkha, and this is the idol of Mahatma Gandhi. And there are so many things also written here. Who is Ishwar? Who is God? So it is written that there is an indefinable, mysterious power that pervades everything. I feel it true, I do not see it. It is an unseen power which makes itself felt and yet defines all proof, because it is so unlike all that I perceive through my senses. It transcends the senses, but it is possible to reason out the existence of God to a limited extent. That was told by Mahatma Gandhi. So let's explore together with me. And really, this is a Navjivan written by Mahatma Gandhi. How he started his journey. What was the Gandhi main object in starting Navjivan? So this is the old stone. And there are so many stones, and really this place is so silent and peace place, because I am also feeling relaxed here. I think that's reason Mahatma Gandhi chose this place also, because he did not like to stay at high place. So that's the reason he chose as a normal place between the nature, which on the bank of Sabarmati river, because Sabarmati ashram is located on the bank of Sabarmati river in Ahmedabad. So this is the statue of Kasturba Gandhi. Kasturba Gandhi and ashram. Kasturba played a significant role in Gandhi's life as well as in his ashram life. Gandhi once said, "Without Kasturba Corporation, it would never have been possible for me to achieve so much." This was told by the Mahatma Gandhi for Kasturba Gandhi. So I am going next. All information written about the Kasturba Gandhi journey and Mahatma Gandhi, everything in this ashram. So this is the image of Dandi March, also known as Salt March, started by Mahatma Gandhi from Sabarmati Ashram only. So let's see. Mahatma Gandhi broke the law of Salt March and Dandi March along with their activities and followers. So really, this is a very good thing also, that here There is also a one charkha where Gandhi ji used to spin this charkha. And there is also a garden, and on bikes and in backside there is a Sabarmati river which is also flowing from here. So Swadeshi and Swaraj, finding the Gujarat Vidyapit, education experimental. We in the ashram believe that the great harm that has been done to the country will continue so long as education is not given along national lines. According a national school has been started and an experiment. So the aim is to give higher education through the mother tongue and in a manner that will impose no strain. In this experiment, both mental and physical education is provided. Also told by Mahatma Gandhi. Letter from Gandhiji to Bajaj. In whose name should we buy the land? In the name of ashram for the protection of cause or in your name? So this is also the view of Hirday Kunj. Hirday Kunj, Binova Kutir and Mira Kutir, Upasna Mandir, Magar Niwas, Nandini Udyog Mandir, Imam Manjil, Odi, Charlies for Ashramitis, Pandit Jilni Chali, Somnath Chhatralay, Kitchen, OD, Jamna Kutir Primary School. That is all a part of this ashram. So this is the map of this ashram. My notion of democracy is that under it the weakest should have the same opportunity as the strongest. No country in the world today shows any but patronizing regards for the weak Western democracy as it functioning today. It is diluted fancyism. True democracy cannot be worked by 20 men sitting at the center. It has to be worked from the below by the people of every village. Charkha, home of Mahatma Gandhi, where he used to make trade. And let's see, this is the thread. I think this thread was all made by Mahatma Gandhi with the help of charkha. So there are so many charkha and there are so many types of thread also in different color. So there is also one charkha. And there are also so many charkha like 1, 2, 3. And this place is so peace, there is so peace, there is no any kind of sound and noise. So I am feeling also very relaxed and I am also enjoying and loving this place because I am getting the lots of knowledge from here. So let's see, there are also so many charkha along with this. There are two charkha also. Charkha used by Kamal Amma Guru to spin the finest yarn in 1924. There is also one theatre in this Sabarmati ashram, so I am going inside. So let's see, there is one screen where the biography of Mahatma Gandhi movie is going on there. So let's see, and in this theatre there is no one, some people are always coming and going from here. So let's see. The movie in this theatre, they are showing like this type of motif. Every female used to spin the charkha to make thread and yarn.
On September the 23rd, 1920.